is Chris Moore. In today's tutorial video, we got a 2018 Honda CBR 1000. We're gonna show you how to remove the ECU. It's about a 5-minute job on this thing. Super simple, super easy. So the first thing you're gonna do is start off by removing the rear seat. You'll actually just peel the seat back right there. You got 2 screws in the rear seat. You're gonna remove those screws. You've got 2 screws right here. You're gonna remove those with a 5mm Allen wrench. You've got 1 screw here, and then of course 1 screw on the other side. Once you do that, the tank shell will lift off. You may have to wiggle like this just a little bit to get it to break loose. It is, I guess you would say, kind of mounted in rubber. But anyways, once you do that, then you can kind of grab it here and just slide that right back. We'll carefully sit this here. And right here is your ECU. Now you can see this is one I've already flashed, but there's the ECU. To get to the ECU completely, you'll remove these gas tank screws, one here, one on the other side in the same location. Then you can lift the gas tank up. And then once you do that, there's 2 plug-ins basically right here. You just unplug the ECU, 3 plug-ins on the Honda, I'm sorry. You'll unplug the ECU, pull it out, you can mail it in. All the instructions are on moremafia.com under the ECU flashing page. All right guys, that's it for today's video. Real short, sweet, and simple. Just showing you how to remove the ECU on this new Honda. If you got any questions, go to moremafia.com. You can email us from there. Thanks guys, have a good one. See ya.